Okay guys, it is Wednesday and we've spent the majority of the day tweaking the carbs on the Cuda. She runs like a scolded dog now. Let me turn this around. We've got all of the hydraulics in and we've even got them bled. So the top is ready to go. Tomorrow we'll be putting in all the panels, more panels, fixing the rug, and just doing a whole bunch of stuff on this car. Let me turn this around. We also we compression test the motor today. Well, sadly enough, we have got fantastic compression on this side of the motor, but this entire side has got no compression on two cylinders and only about 40 to 60 on the other two. So motor's going to come back out anyway. We're going to do the firewall, we're going to paint everything, and I'm going to fabricate some nice, like, see if I can show it, where the battery is sitting. All this is going to be really done up nicely. We're going to do a nice little inner wheel well on both sides. We're going to dress it up. Stay tuned. We'll show you how we do it. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you.